Mastering word stress in English. Tips and tricks. Stress is when you emphasize different parts of a word. In English, not every syllable is said equally. In longer words, we usually stress one syllable more than the others. Stress is placed on syllables, and it's the vowel sound in the syllable that gets the emphasis, not the consonants. It becomes louder, longer, and slightly higher in pitch. Consonants stay pretty much the same whether a syllable is stressed or not. For example, between, doctor, explain, relax, table, and window. Let's look at the basic rules to help you understand where to put the stress in English words. Firstly, for most two-syllable nouns and adjectives, the stress is on the first syllable. For example, garden, pencil, present, happy, open, and tiny. For most two-syllable verbs, the stress is on the second syllable. For example, complain, extract, present, and record. Some two-syllable words can be verbs, nouns, or adjectives depending on the stress. These words are called homographs. Let's see an example. To be present is an adjective, therefore the stress is on the first part. To present is a verb, therefore the stress is on the second part. And a present is a noun, so the stress is on the first part. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more on word stress.